Okay, today's the 24th of February 2025, Monday. CRAZII Market Talk with KEL at 14:15 hour. Now, do note that these few days I'm away, so that's why the timing may shift a little bit, but I'll try my best to do my part to ensure that you guys benefit from this market talk. And of course, disclaimer I apply as usual. Do note my best ability to make you make money from the market, but sometimes I can be wrong or the market is not ready. All this is all possible, yeah? Okay, so let's go to the market right now, and we will see today's the market. Yeah, let's go 1 minute. Let me just get my things here. Wait, hold on. Okay, here we go. Okay, so let's look at the Dow Jones first. Okay, the Dow Jones, since I'm on this screen, there's no particular white side if this Dow Jones first, just only anytime. Okay, now the Dow definitely has a very interesting pattern today. All right, the Dow, as you can see, the opening price is trading at 43,423. But the moment it opened today, straight away you see the Dow going up already. All right. So what's the good news here? So I just saw on the internet, maybe this is the news. Zelensky wants to resign if they basically get what they want, like basically going to NATO and stuff like that. So of course that basically helps the market a little bit because if he actually stop this war or if Russia get what he wants, things can change. But it's quite interesting though because I think that Zelensky may not have the best for Ukraine, but I mean, he did try his best to restrict people from coming in. So it's kind of interesting that things have developed to this stage here. Okay, now the thing is that the KSI is very clear, it's red in color. So people ask this question, KL, how come your KSI is red in color, but yet your price can go up? Now, I repeat 10,000 times before, the KSI is nothing to do with the price action of the market now. It's basically informing you that the boys are selling as the price is moving. It can be moving up or can be moving down. Now, in this particular case, the price is going up while the KSI is red. So what does it mean? It means that, right, the market can buy, but the boys are dumping. So once it hits some resistance, there will be some selling impact. So what are the resistance? Example like KTR 1, 2, 3, or pivots that's on top, or MLP that's on top. So in this case right now, everyone, you can see that there is an MLP on top. The MLP is at 43,755. I think there is a possibility that the market may purposely go there and tap it. Your whole minute at home, yeah? Okay, so obviously you can hear I'm actually in the hotel running out. Okay, so going back to where I was. So the thing is this MLP is there. So I think the market may be touching that particular area, then come down. Who knows? It's all possible, yeah. So with that understanding, let's look at the 5-minute chart of the market. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. Okay. So guys, you can see very clearly that this today, the Dow Jones, make it swing smaller for all of us first. Okay. Okay, the Dow Jones this morning has opened here, gap up, and straight away mount itself up. This is a very, very strong move. When you see market move in this manner, I can tell you that it's up to 80 to 85% that the market will hit KTR plus one. It should be very easy. So that's why this morning I also bought in the Dow Jones because I saw this pump up action itself. I know that the market will not stay down. And you can see that when it was pump up, the KSI at the bottom was green, right? So the market shoot up very fast. But when the KSI turns red in color, you can see over here, the market went sideways. Now, one thing to note, guys, very important now, it went sideways. It did not go down. That means that the market actually went sideways while the KSI was red. So that means that if the market actually starts to go up again, if KSI turns green, the upside will be strong. And what you're seeing right now is that after the moment the KSI turns green, straight away the market went up. Can you see that? If all clear, press number 2 right now. Okay, excellent, excellent. Okay. So with this understanding here, now let's take a look into deeper on how you use the diamonds, yeah? Okay. Okay, so basically at the start of the day, there was one diamond that is here, right? Okay, let me just make the chart smaller a little bit. Okay, yeah. So there's one. Okay, there's one diamond here. So once you do, you just have to take a horizontal line, white line, and then place it at the closing price of the candle. Okay, like this. So straightforward, immediately you notice that the market basically stays above the white line, and that gives you a very strong indication the market will go higher. Okay, so that is the first thing that you should know by now about how to use a diamond. Then subsequently, as the bar goes by, as the market starts to trade, there's a new diamond over here. Bring up and place it at the closing price, and you can see though the market did not have an instant reaction, but the market start to move up. So now where it's going to go, it's going to go higher, right? Yeah, how high will it go? So let's look at the chart right now, everyone. Let me get space smaller. Okay, you bring down a chart, you notice there's a very interesting stack here. KTR plus 2 and MLP is somewhere together, right? Do you notice that? The plus 2 and MLP are together. So I suspect that the market will eventually do this. The market will eventually do this, whereby it goes sideways for a while, then to put some pullback, that's for sure. And then after that, right, you will see the market start to trade towards the MLP region. So it is possible, yeah? It is possible. So traders, all clear? Okay, all clear, press number 3 right now. Good to see that during this period of time, that's around 2:45, 2:40, 2:30. You guys are all online. That's great. That's nice. Okay. All right. So let's just go to the next market, which is gold now. Let's give me a while. Now, someone asked this question just now in the morning, asking me, Cal. Now, I do see your diamonds available on H1, H4, M30, M15. So, which is better? I already tell you guys that basically I only have time to do the 5-day chart evaluation and the 5-minute evaluation of the market. So which means that if you ask me other time frame, right, I can lie to you and tell you that, oh, it works on all time frame and it's excellent, blah blah blah. Now you know that I don't do such things. I never think, I never say, I will never do things that I don't know. All right, so I'll tell you that I have no idea whether how good is the indicator for the other time frame other than 5-minute and day chart. Only Hang Seng M1 I do take a look and it's pretty decently good. So only Hang Seng. The rest itself, right, I don't have time. So please understand this. I really want to have spent more time to look at the whole thing here to give you the best array of products, but I know that I have limited time. All right. And because now we are doing some road shows for our app, so it's really very taxing for me at the moment to do my best here. So you guys have to understand that we use whatever we have, and that is my vote of confidence for you. Okay. All right, so now let's look at the today's goal. Today's goal is very interesting. It's another doji day, another doji, yeah? We have 1 doji, 2 doji, 3 doji already. No, wait, actually, sorry, this is not doji. 2 dojis again. So in a market, it's very rare to see so many dojis. As this is a third one, this is a fourth one. So 4 doji already. 4 doji already in the market. So what do I suspect will happen? Well, I think definitely there'll be a big up movement very soon. So the market either going to shift it up all the way to 2980 in the near term, or going to slam down to 2850. Now, why do I say that? Because by right, when they have so many dojis in the market, it's telling you that the market is preparing for a very big movement. So my number 2980 is something that I calculated, right? So that's the number. Then the 2850 is the mathematic formula that I gave previously about it. If the market consolidate for some time, you take the range of it, you can get somewhere around 2850. So this is the 2 price that I think gold will be going in the near term, right? 2980 and 2850. Either one will reach the arm. We'll see how it goes. Okay, 1 minute, yeah. Trying to get some water for myself. Okay, all clear. Okay, so let's go to the 5-minute chart and see how do we trade the Dow this morning to today. Okay, here we go. Okay, so very fast and very easy. I tell you guys every single day, the probability of the market hitting the KTR plus one and minus one, okay, is 80 to 85%. I'm drilling this literally every day to you so that you guys can remember and enjoy this simple game. So this morning when I was trading the Dow, it was sideways at the start, which I don't trade. Then about 9 o'clock, that's where I basically saw the Dow went below OP, right? It's the gold went below OP, sorry, the Dow. The gold went below OP. And then that's where I shorted the gold at the first wave here itself, okay? All right, so I short the gold. I make my profit at KTR minus one. I think I show you the guys on the group chat. So that was done. But later on itself, right, when I was away, then I noticed that there were diamonds appearing on the screen. And of course, that was, if you had the app, you will notice it immediately, okay? And then you can see what happened. Do you know, sorry, okay. Do you notice that there were two diamonds here? This two diamond is actually within 5 bars, okay, 5 bars. So when I say within 5 bars means from the first diamond to the next diamond. So in this case, 1 and 2. So 2 diamonds was just consecutively side by side. So this is a call what I consider as a very strong potential bottoming signal. Bottoming, yeah, bottoming. So same thing again, since the 2 diamonds are there, you place a white line at the nearest diamond to the from the right side, yeah. So apparently, the 2 diamonds were out itself. The market stays below the diamond, right? So that's why the market came down. So that's why a student asked me, Kel, how come got 2 diamonds, but yet the price goes down? Isn't that a bottoming sign? And Kel, the KSI was green, right? So why the market come down? Okay, this is a typical question that people ask me, and let me explain this to you now live again. Now, 2 diamonds is a point whereby the market is telling me that the market might be bottoming out soon. But the reason why we place a white line and not just a symbol is because we need you to feel the market, which means that the market must show you the breakout. So what happened is that the white line is placed at the closing price for this reason. So you can see the price did go down, right? And then went sideways, correct? But do you notice the market didn't go down much? And then after that, the market recover again. And this time round, okay, it breaks above the white line. Can you see that? Yes, the market broke above the white line and very clearly it closed slightly above the white line. Can you all see that? You can all see that. Press number 3 right now. Number 4, sorry, number 4. Yeah. I'm only using one screen, so it's very difficult for me to see the numbers. Okay. Yes. So that was the key point of your trade already. You know that will really happen. So when the market finish, okay, when the market finish the bar, you notice it closed above the white line. That is your buy signal. That is your buy signal. And then after that, you notice there's a 4 diamond, right? So you just have to place the white line at the closing. At the closing, right? So you shift it. And immediately after you shifted it, wow, look at it. The market stays above the line. Then my tu liao, just buy. Hey, wait a minute, Cal. I'm buying below OP. Is it correct? Now, guys, trading below OP is always for selling. But it's also meant when the market is coming down with a CCYR that you sell, right? But the market now is going up with the diamond assisting you. You can try to buy it. If you feel uncomfortable, you prefer to buy above OP, nothing wrong. But of course, with diamonds in the picture, it's better to buy something cheaper and better, right? So all clear and agree on this? If all agree, understand what I just said, press number 5. Okay, all right, excellent. Okay, let's continue. So then now there, the market really going up, right? So if you have purchased it right here, your first TP is OP. Your next TP is pivot 1 because that is the nearest technical point. So once hit pivot 1, you notice the market grind already, ding, 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 right? Not even move. Hey, wait a minute. Cal, what is this blue line? Blue arrow. The blue arrow is a symbolic to inform you that the market is above OP and above pivot 1, aka classic trade. That's why there's a blue arrow. Hey, Cal, how come a minute? Just now, why this one break got no blue arrow? This one got blue arrow. Because this one, the closing is above pivot 1. the closing is above pivot 1. This one didn't close above. That's why the no blue arrow. So everything, can be explained as long as part of the indicator. Okay, so the market went sideways and still couldn't really go up, right? And then what happened? What must you do? Bring up the diamonds, okay? So every time a new diamond, you bring it up, you notice straight away that it's very clear. The market couldn't go above the diamonds and then basically keep on going lower and lower. So all this tells you a lot of things, right? Until here, guys, take a look. So this was where just now I wanted to trade and I went in long on gold right here. I went in long. So when I went in long itself, right, I was thinking, okay, this should be the one because I was expecting KTR plus 1 to be triggered. But after that, the moment after I purchased it, within less than 15 minutes, it went below. Then the KSI turns red, the KCX turns blue. Okay, straight away, I said, okay, never mind. I cut my loss immediately, okay? I cut my loss immediately. I say, it's okay or no problem, So after that, what happened? You can see that the price really went down, right? So few. But then this thing caught my attention, guys. There is another KCX at the bottom, and then the bar still stays above OP. That was what I liked. And now there's a new blue diamond, right? So you have to shift the white line and then bring it down to the new blue diamond closing price. And here we go now. We have the market now grinding at this particular area. So what is actually happening here? Because there's a very strong resistance at the pivot 1 for gold. So that's why you see the market just couldn't really go up. So if I just bought it just now, if it turns again negative, I'll just cut again. It's part and parcel of trading. You win some, you lose some. But when the market behave like that, I know that means very, very soon there'll be big movement coming in. Now, when you have basically series of losses that is correct trading, but the market just go hell or sideways, it's not because you're unlucky. It's because the market is going to go into big movement soon. And with that itself, right, if the market later on can break again and crack pivot 1 and close above it, I can be very, very sure we will see 2947 traded for gold. Right, all clear? If all clear, press the next number, and that will be number 6. Okay, okay, so that is the sharing for today. Because I'm running out of time, I still got one more meeting coming in at 3 o'clock, so I need to just stop here and then I do the revision of last Friday. Okay, that's wait for me a while. Don't go away. I'll come back in 1 minute time. Okay.